Today we celebrate Pentecost Sunday, another one of the truly important feasts in the church's year. This is the day when we celebrate the coming of the Holy Spirit upon the disciples and followers of Jesus, making them brave and courageous in their proclamation of the gospel. So the Holy Spirit, we believe, came upon the followers of Jesus on Pentecost Sunday. But we also believe that the Holy Spirit is still present with us and among us. We believe that the Holy Spirit dwells within each one of us personally. And I hope we take the time to realize once again where the Spirit is moving within our hearts and our minds, what the Holy Spirit is calling us to do to become more faithful followers of Christ. It should also be easy to see the Holy Spirit present in our families and present in our parish family through acts of forgiveness and unity and celebration and joy. So there are places where the Holy Spirit's present, I hope, are obvious to us. But where else is the Holy Spirit present in our world today? Well, here's an easy one. We can see the Holy Spirit present in our Holy Father, Pope Francis, in his kindness, in his call to us to be more faithful disciples, to be people of joy, to be people who care for the earth. It should be easy to see the presence of the Holy Spirit in the faces of the healthcare workers, the faces of the checkers at the grocery store, all the frontline people who have been so brave in helping us and taking care of us through the pandemic. Can we see the presence of the Holy Spirit, though, in those food service workers who are striking to receive a $15 minimum wage? Is the Holy Spirit present in the Black Lives Matter movement? These are the tougher questions, but these are the ways in which we're called to see that the Holy Spirit is present, not just in easy ways, but in some ways that at first glance may not seem so obvious to us. Let us rejoice that God has sent us his Holy Spirit to make us better people and to make our world better.